Hello friends, welcome to our second code video. We are going to learn about what is inside a white image. So let's go ahead and create a new folder called 2, and from our first folder, let's just make the T capital so it is nice 2. And from our first folder, we are just going to copy our sketch file, and let's copy our readme files too and drop them in our 2 folder. Alright, so we'll fix them in a minute. So first let's write down what are we going to learn in this video. So we will create a white image, 400 pixel white, 300 pixel height. We will color the image white. Every pixel will be white. We'll open the image and we'll see what is inside, and this time we will see some 255 and we will see a couple of learnings over here. Alright, so rest can remain same. Let's go ahead and open our image using Sketch, and here is the Sketch app, and here comes our image. Let me zoom it back, and finally let's get rid of some of the, let's see, fill. I don't need borders over here. So let's get rid of border, and on the fill we are going to make it all white. So R should be 255, G should be 255. So you can see how when I made R 255 it became red, green, and finally if I add 255 it becomes white. So if RGB are same and the hex is FF, which is like RGB, alpha is 100%, image is white, we'll export this guy and we'll save it in our 2 folder, and this time we are going to name it myWhiteImage.png. Alright, so now this image is saved. We can close the sketch now, go back to our white images right over here, and we can get rid of the black image, we don't need it. And finally let's open this thing inside Visual Studio Code, and here it is. And what we need to do is this time we are going to read, what did we name the image as? My white image. Alright, so let's copy the name of the image, Command C, Command V, and this time let's just select all the blacks over here. So I'm going to do Command D, 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 and this is multi-cursor, and we just name everything as white. Alright, so what is inside my white image? What we are going over here is we imported numpy, imported CV2, and now we are saying open up my white image. Let's get rid of this thing, and we are saying print the shape, print the height, which is the first element in the array, print the width, and that's about it. Alright, so let's run it on a new iTerm window. Command spacebar, type iTerm. iTerm is launched. I'm inside this directory. I need to go to my computer vision directory, so cd computer vision, and let's do ls. Let's go inside 2 and ls, and finally we can run Python 3 on Mac, 3.7 Python. If you're on Windows, just do Python, and we are doing what is inside black image, what is inside black image.py, and you can see that its height is 300 and width is 400, so it's a 300 high, 400, so 300 in height, tall, or 400 in width. Easier is 400 by 300 width and height, and 3-channel image. We haven't printed what is inside the image, so let's do that. So print, and then we are going to print what is inside this image, print my white image, and let's just run it one more time. Why don't we clear this guy so it's easier to see? And okay, beautiful. So you see here that every pixel here is made up of 255 by 255. So black is 0 and 255 is white. This represents 1 pixel, this represents second pixel, this represents one of the second pixel, third pixel on the same row. And as soon as this guy changes, like another bracket appears, you have another row going on. So row, another row, and that's how this keeps on going. All right, so row has columns, and that's the idea. So this finishes our video. What is inside a white image? What is inside a white image? It's nothing. It is made up of 255 and 255, and we got everything over here. Why don't we save this guy properly and name it file save as, and let's call it what is inside white image. And you can download this program from GitHub, or you can download this program from the description of this video as well, or you can type it. It's fairly straightforward. And let me get rid of this guy. What is inside black image? Move to trash. Okay, so I'll post a link to GitHub in the description of the video. But here we got everything for black, here we got everything for white. And let's do some colorful images and see what is inside a color image. How about yellow? Let's try it in next video. Okay friends, hope you had fun. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye now.